Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this very short bob wig. I'm using these measuring tapes to measure where I would like to start my cutting from on both sides. So my customer wanted a very short bob wig. She didn't tell me exactly the length that she wanted, but she sent me a picture of how she wanted it to look, and in my head this is 6 inches. So I decided to start from I decided to start cutting from 11 inches. That way, if I make a mistake, I would have enough hair to correct my mistake, because cutting this kind of short bob wig can be a lot. So you don't want to start very short and then you have nothing to correct your mistake. So that's why I started from 11. You can even start from 10, but I started from 11. To achieve this bob wig, I used two bundles, one bundle of 8 inches and one of 12 inches. You can actually use one of 8 and one of 10, but this is what I had available, so I just had to make do of what I had. So there was a bundle of 8, one bundle of 12, and a 12 inches closure. Like I said before, you don't have to go this long. If you have a 6 inches, you can even start with the 6 inches at the bottom and then add maybe 10 or 12 on top. The most important thing when making a bob wig is to make sure that the length that you have on top, most especially the closure as well, should be way longer than what you have at the bottom. So if you're going for a 6-inch bob wig or a an 8, 10 or 12, you can always start with a 6-inch bundle at the bottom, because by the time you're done cutting, you're still going to remove from that 6 inches, making it around 4 or even 2 inches. So what you have at the bottom doesn't really matter if it's very short. So now if you pay close attention, you will notice that the length that I have on the left side is shorter than what I have on the right side, and what I'm going for is the length on the left side because my customer wants it very short. So I'm now using the length on the left side to correct the one on the right side. So I'll just continue to trace it till I get to the right side. So this is the reason why I started long. That way I can use what I have left to correct my mistake. So when cutting your bob wig, always remember that when you take out too much hair, you cannot put it back. But when you have enough hair, you can always take out as much as you want. I forgot to mention that this hair has already been straightened, so I always encourage you to straighten the hair before you cut the bob. If not, by the time you cut and then straighten the hair, you will notice that you have extra hair sticking out at the bottom. So to avoid this, always straighten out the hair before you cut.
Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. You can balance it, check and balance it. No one but man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the road. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know.
And as you can see, I've gotten the perfect length on both sides. I'm going to move over to the next step, which is bobbing the units, because what we have right here is a blunt cut. So I'm going to bob it using my hair straightener. And if you watch this video all the way to this point, it means that you found it helpful. So please do me the favor to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. My name is Omoni, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to make a perfect wig. I'm a hair vendor, and also I teach how to make wigs. Over the years, I've shared really meaningful videos on how to make your hairs, whether it's your natural hair or making wigs. And I took a break from YouTube because I needed to focus on other aspects of my life. Like I said previously, I'm also a hair vendor. I sell wigs, I sell custom made wigs, and also pre-made wigs as well, like really quality hairs. And also I'm a mom of 3. I had another baby in January. So a lot has just been happening, and I really needed that break to put myself together. And as you can see, if you're not new to my channel, you will notice that I'm filming in a different space because I also moved, and now I have a whole space where I can create my content, unlike where I used to live. It became really small that I it was just overwhelming for me. So now I have a whole room for my work. So expect more videos from me. I'll be posting frequently now. As long as I've posted this video, just know that I'm going to be posting more videos like every week. So because a lot of you guys have been in my comment section on Instagram and TikTok saying, when are you coming back, when are you coming back? I'm back, guys. Like, I'm really back, and I want to be taking you guys on my journey of making wigs for my customers and all that. So I'll be filming regularly this time around, and I'll be posting more. So expect more from me. Subscribe, turn on your post notification, share the link with your friends and your loved ones. I can't wait to see your comment on my channel. And also, I have good news to share with you guys. Like, I just can't wait. I've been keeping this good news for the past 3 years plus now, since 2022. It's been over 3 years actually. I've been keeping this news, but I would like to share it with you guys because I was just waiting for the perfect time to share it with you guys. And I believe this is the perfect time because everything that I've wanted, I have them now. So I don't see the reason why I shouldn't share this with you guys. So expect a proper video from me. So that's basically how I achieved this bob wig. I know I didn't start from scratch on how I made the wig. I have other videos on my channel on how to make a bob wig from scratch, so you can just search for those videos on my channel. I'll also try to link the videos in the description box, that way you can easily find them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate, and like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Man, I'm feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we your bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. In at the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. In the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feeling.